So hybrid and EV vehicles have electrical motors connected to their driven wheels. It is important that we do not flat tow electric vehicles because when you do this, the motor will turn over, this will induce a current, and that current will go into other high voltage componentry. If the system is not active, this can damage that component and end up with costly repair bills. So a flatbed truck is always the best option. Now, when you get the vehicle into your workshop, make sure that you also push the vehicle no faster than walking pace only. This makes sure that the risk is mitigated. If the high voltage system is ever open or you're actively working on the vehicle, it is best to pick the vehicle up using wheel dollies. But if you ever have any questions regarding this, feel free to call us here at Infinity.